Okay, I'm still fixing up this Freecycle lawnmower I got. So far, all we've really done is give it an oil change and put in new gas. I did test the old battery. It checked bad using a battery tester, which is not surprising. The battery hasn't been used in about 3 years. And you're supposed to charge them every 30 days, even when they're not in use. So that was dead as a doornail. Went out and bought another battery for about $27 at the local big box store. Put that in, cranked it up, and nothing. So now I'm in the process of checking the electrical, because I know the battery's good. That check's good now. I know we've got good fuel, and I know we have good clean oil and the proper amount, but we're just not getting any sort of we're not getting it to turn over at all. So I'm going to start checking the usual things: spark plugs, broken wires, look for some fuses, and see what we can find. Alright, I think I found the culprit. I was checking the electrical and opened up the access panel down here to get at the fuses, and I pulled out, I don't know if you can see it, we'll come around, a 25 amp fuse. Let's see if I can focus on it. I cannot, it keeps focusing on something else. Anyway, I'll take a picture of it. This fuse looks a little charred and melted, so I'm going to swap it out with another 25 amp fuse. It's just your regular automotive fuse. Alright, yeah, it looks way different than the new 25 amp. So let's swap it out. Before I button everything else back up, I'm going to see if it'll crank at all. So here goes. Okay, cross fingers. Hey, I saw lights, that's good. Okay, that's really good. Alright. Add some gas. And see if we can get this thing lit. Not too much, in case we have to drain it for a leak or something. I don't see anything. I'm going to open up the other door for more ventilation. Okay, cross fingers. Okay, that's good news. Okay, I know it cranks. I know it cranks up. That was a cold start, so it didn't really get going that well. Once I pulled it out of the choke, it kind of died, but I'll have to read up on the manual, make sure I know how to cold start it right. And now we're just going to work on the tires, and maybe in a couple hours we'll drive this thing around the yard. So, good news. Thanks, Freecycle. Love your lawnmower.